Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we take a deep dive into the BMW 1 Series, a compact luxury vehicle that's often overlooked, yet it holds immense value for those seeking performance, prestige, and practicality in a small package. From its agile dynamics and powerful engine choices to its true cost of ownership in the United States, we're unpacking everything you need to know. Whether you're looking to buy your first premium car, downsize without losing luxury, or invest in a versatile daily driver, this is the ultimate guide. We'll discuss financing, insurance, maintenance, depreciation, and more, all tailored specifically to the US market. The BMW 1 Series represents the gateway into the BMW brand. But make no mistake, this isn't just a stripped-down version of a 3 or 5 Series. Instead, it embodies the core values of BMW in a more compact and accessible format. In the US, the 1 Series was offered from 2008 to 2013 in coupe and convertible variants, before evolving into other models like the 2 Series. However, across global markets, the 1 Series has continued as a hatchback. Regardless of body style, it's loved for its performance, rear-wheel drive dynamics, and precise steering, a formula that reminds us of classic BMWs from the golden era. Let's start with the design. The exterior of the BMW 1 Series captures the traditional BMW DNA, the kidney grills, the clean body lines, and the athletic stance. US models, particularly the E82 Coupe and E88 Convertible, offer timeless proportions with a long hood and short rear deck. The styling is simple but purposeful, making it appealing to enthusiasts who appreciate understated elegance. This design ethos continues inside the cabin. The interior is focused on the driver, with a cockpit that places all controls within easy reach. Materials are high quality, with soft-touch plastics, optional leather upholstery, and aluminum trim pieces. The minimalist design is easy to navigate, and the ergonomics are excellent, especially for long-distance drives across states like Texas or California. Under the hood, the US BMW 1 Series lineup offered several engine choices, most notably the naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-6 in the 128i and the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 in the 135i. The 128i produces 230 horsepower, delivering linear power and a smooth, classic BMW feel. The 135i, on the other hand, ups the ante with 300 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque, thanks to its twin-scroll turbocharger. The 135i rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds flat, putting it in sports car territory. Mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic, both models deliver impressive driving dynamics. The optional M Sport package sharpens things even further, with sportier suspension tuning, aggressive wheels, and enhanced interior details. In terms of driving experience, the 1 Series is pure BMW. It's one of the last small BMWs to feature rear-wheel drive in the US, which makes a noticeable difference in handling. The steering is direct and communicative, the chassis feels balanced, and the suspension is firm but not punishing. It excels on twisty roads like those found in the Appalachian or Sierra Nevada regions, giving the driver full confidence through every curve. Compared to its front-wheel drive competitors, the 1 Series provides a significantly more engaging drive, even when cruising through suburban traffic or on long highway stretches from New York to Florida. Inside, the 1 Series blends simplicity with luxury. The driver-oriented layout features intuitive controls and premium materials. Base models include a premium sound system, dual-zone climate control, and an iDrive infotainment interface. Higher trims and option packages add navigation, leather seating, heated front seats, and Bluetooth connectivity. The iDrive system, while early versions were somewhat clunky, improved greatly over the model years. For American buyers, the functionality is sufficient for daily use and long road trips. Cargo space is adequate for the segment, especially in the coupe, and the rear seats, while snug, can accommodate adults on short trips or children comfortably. Now let's talk about ownership in the US. Starting with financing, the BMW 1 Series sits in a sweet spot. It's affordable compared to other BMW models but still qualifies for luxury auto financing programs. Certified pre-owned (CPO) examples are clean used models from private sellers or specialty dealerships typically range between $10,000 and $25,000, depending on model year, trim, mileage, and condition. For buyers with excellent credit scores, 720+, interest rates can hover around 5% APR. Monthly payments on a $20,000 used 135i, assuming 10% down over 60 months, will fall between $300 and $375. Several U.S. lenders, including Capital One Auto Finance, Bank of America, and Lightstream, offer competitive terms. For enthusiasts or business owners, specialized loans or Section 179 tax deductions may also apply. Insurance costs for the 1 Series are moderate for a luxury performance vehicle. Expect annual full coverage premiums to range from $1,200 to $2,000, depending on age, driving record, zip code, and whether the vehicle is used daily or occasionally. States like Michigan or Louisiana trend higher, while states like Maine or Idaho offer lower premiums. Insurers such as Geico, Progressive, and State Farm often have packages tailored for performance vehicles, and discounts are available for bundling home and auto policies or completing defensive driving courses. Younger drivers can expect higher premiums, but usage-based insurance programs may help reduce costs over time. Maintenance and reliability are critical aspects to consider with any BMW. The 1 Series is no exception, but it fares better than some of its siblings. The naturally aspirated engine in the 128i is notably reliable, with minimal issues if properly maintained. The 135i's turbocharged engine is more complex and has known issues such as high-pressure fuel pump failure and wastegate rattle, but these can be addressed proactively. Maintenance costs average around $1,000 to $1,500 annually. Oil changes with synthetic oil cost between $100 to $150, while brake service ranges from $300 to $700 depending on parts. Major services like water pump replacement can run up to $1,200. Using independent European car specialists instead of dealerships can reduce costs significantly. When it comes to depreciation, the 1 Series has already completed the steepest part of its curve. These vehicles lost significant value early on but have since stabilized. Clean, low-mileage 135i models, especially with a manual transmission and M Sport package, have started to appreciate slightly among enthusiasts. Convertible versions generally hold less value, though they offer open-top driving fun. The key to maintaining resale value in the US is proper documentation, regular maintenance, and keeping the car largely stock. Aftermarket modifications, unless tasteful and reversible, tend to reduce resale value. One of the biggest advantages of owning a BMW 1 Series in the US is access to parts and service. BMW's dealership network is extensive, and plenty of independent specialists across the country, especially in metro areas like Los Angeles, Miami, Chicago, and Dallas, are familiar with the 1 Series platform. This makes sourcing OEM and aftermarket parts relatively easy. For those interested in self-maintenance, the 1 Series has a strong online community with DIY guides